For the 18th problem on the second ACT practice test, in the figure below, A, D, B, and G are collinear if angle CAD measures 76 degrees, angle BCD measures 47 degrees, and angle CBG measures 140 degrees. What is the measure of angle ACD? So let's find this angle, ACD, so that's this angle right here. And this is essentially what we're trying to find, so I'll give it a variable. Let's call this angle that we're trying to find x. And from here, let's just write in everything that this problem gives us. So we're told that angle CAD measures 76 degrees. CAD, so this angle right here, this would be 76 degrees. And then angle BCD measures 47 degrees. So BCD, that's this angle here, and we know it measures 47 degrees. And we also know angle CBG, so CBG, and this angle here is 140 degrees. Now, with all of this information written down, there's one very useful fact from geometry that we can use to solve this. Namely, that when you have a triangle where one of the bases is extended past the edge of the triangle, you get this exterior angle here. In our case, it's this 140 degrees. But in general, this exterior angle is always equal to the sum of essentially the two opposite angles in the triangle. So this 140 degrees would be equal to this angle here plus this angle here. So let me write that out in more general terms with some triangle that we can just draw very generally. And let's just say one of the bases is extended so that this angle here, which we can call A, would be equal to this angle B plus this angle C. So let's write that down. The theorem essentially states that angle A, this exterior angle, is equal to angle B plus angle C. So basically, this external angle here is equal to the sum of the two angles that are opposite it within this triangle. And it basically comes from the fact that, let's say we have this angle here, which we'll call D, that C, B, and D, these three angles add up to 180 degrees. But it's also true that angle D and angle A add up to 180 degrees. And so with both of those facts, you can come up with this equation here. So all we have to do is apply this equation to our particular problem. And to do that, we know the exterior angle here. It's this 140 degrees. So we have that 140 degrees is equal to, and then we have to add together this angle and this angle here. And we know the bottom angle. We know this angle here, CAD, that's just 76 degrees. And now we have to add this angle here, but this angle is broken up into two parts. It's 47 degrees and x degrees. So really we're adding both of those. We have 47 degrees plus x degrees. And this represents this entire angle here. So our exterior angle is equal to these two opposite angles within the triangle. And now we just have to combine like terms and solve for x. And 76 plus 47, if you add 7 to this, you get to 83. And then adding 40, you get to 123 degrees, and then plus x degrees. And subtracting 123 degrees from each side, what you're left with is that x is equal to 17 degrees. So this right here will be our final answer, and you can see that it's choice letter H.